this is the way I actually checking all the assignment given to me lah. Okay, so I didn't give the mark without I read word by word of your assignment. Okay, so this is the title is Earth and Space Exploration Review on Current from Form 3 Science Curriculum and Syllabus. So this is the title. So from the title, we can understand that this is actually to introduce Earth and space exploration as a new curriculum, and then the review on the current Form 3 Science Curriculum and Syllabus. Okay, so this is a very clear title lah regarding to the content of this paper. Okay, so why my assignment is actually many my assignment is journal formatting, article journal formatting, because of actually the same thing in your situation in your project paper preparation actually. Okay, because I don't want you to come to me or go to another your supervisor, and then you cannot provide a good problem statement. So I want to show to you actually what any courses you're taking in the curriculum and instruction program, actually you can come out the research, you can come out the issues in terms of preparing your project paper. Okay, because I also disappointed because of sometimes the student just use the another umbrella, example psychology umbrella, education management umbrella. That is not right. And then I want to also to remind you again, please make sure that you got you have a good supervisor in curriculum and instruction. Okay, in curriculum and instruction. So please defend yourself if the coordinator want to give you to the lecturer, education management lecturer, or psychology lecturer, or IT lecturer, or mathematics lecturer, or any another field. Because of, I think that the worst is not us, the worst is the student. Okay, so please make sure that you get a good supervisor. Any person in curriculum and instruction is okay. Any person in curriculum and instruction, as long as in the same program. Okay, so because of I heard previously from Dr. Makno, we also have the student in the supervision of management education. So I don't know what happened. Be careful, because of, if you want to interview as a lecturer in the IPTS or IPTA, even though you have a full flag in your all the courses in the curriculum and instruction, but as a reviewer, as a interviewer, I also want to see that what is your project paper, what are you doing in your research, because the research is can representative what actually your area. Okay, so be careful, right? So you must understand the coordinator. No, I in curriculum and instruction, I just want the people in curriculum and instruction. Okay, because the coordinator cannot simply just attach the student to the another field. Okay, unless curriculum and instruction people don't want you. That is never occur lah in our situation. Alright, so this is the example of the previously your senior do it in terms of the curriculum design and innovation. So this is the first task. The first assignment is introduction. So you can see here the school curriculum. So she's starting with the curriculum context, with the curriculum issues, because regarding to your our course this semester is talking about curriculum design and development. Okay, so you need to go and read in terms of the what is curriculum design, what is a curriculum development, because I shared with you in the in the previously class the book of curriculum studies, the curriculum studies book. The author is Einstein. Okay, please refer that book and then read carefully what is a curriculum design, curriculum development. Okay, so this student starting with the curriculum in Malaysia today is built on the national education philosophy, which emphasizes on how the progress of our education system is a continuous effort in developing the potential of individual in a holistic and integrated manner to produce balanced and harmonious human being intellectually, spiritually, emotionally, and also physical, based on the faith and obedience to God. Okay, so this is how she started with the relate with the curriculum and the national education national philosophy. Okay, and then you can see here this student also cited the curriculum development division 2014. Okay, so in line with our country NEP, national education philosophy, the philosophy of science education in Malaysia emphasizes the importance of fostering a culture of science and technology by focusing on the development of the individual to become more competitive, dynamic, resilient, and also will as mastery of scientific knowledge and technological skill. So they also relate with the science subject. Why science subject? Because of the focus of curriculum design is about the science subject. Okay, so one of the field that being emphasized in our standard science subject curriculum is a space science field, which is a unique branch of science knowledge that generate new knowledge about our Earth and surrounding universe. So this is also citation. So she also relate with the next paragraph is actually story about what is the uniqueness of the science subject. Okay, and then we go down. So this is the overall review on current science form 3 curriculum and syllabus. Okay, since the conversation of our secondary education system from the KBSM system to KSSM system starting from 2017, there have been many changes were made in a stage by curriculum development unit at the Ministry of Education in terms of improving the content of science form 3 curriculum from content determination, organization, determining possible method of instruction, teaching strategies, selecting assessment, curriculum implementation, and as well as evaluation. So you can see here, I want you to be a critical thinker in terms of what is the current curriculum you want to review, and then what is the purpose of that current curriculum regarding to the Ministry of Education, the philosophy, the education philosophy, and then what they are actually focusing in the current curriculum in terms of the method of instruction, teaching strategies, selecting assessment, and then the way of curriculum implementation and so on. Okay, so I think this one is a good. I think this student got A plus in my previously class. So the main goal of a current standard curriculum for Form 3 science curriculum is to produce. So this is the main goal. So this is actually how this student review that curriculum. Okay, so you need to know that what is the philosophy behind of the government offer that subject, that curriculum to all the student in Malaysia, example. Okay, so this is the developing of the potential of individual in a comprehensive and integrated manner. So from this goal, we can see that one of the source of the curriculum design that being emphasized in the learning goal is a moral doctrine. You get it? the previously slide, I shared with you the sources of curriculum development is the part of the sources is a moral doctrine. Okay, so we can see that how actually this student relate with the sources of curriculum development. Okay, so the way of curriculum development, the principle of curriculum development, that is the aim of this assignment. I want to see that. I want you to go and read in terms of the curriculum design and development. Okay, so according to the Hubner 1985, being in thought with the spiritual values allow us to see the and sense of reality and the generate new ways of viewing knowledge, new relationship among people, a new way of preserving our existence thus help in developing student empathy and insight. So maybe in our mind now, when we read this statement, we in my mind now is maybe this student want to propose something sources in moral doctrine in terms of how actually our education system implement science with the good values. Okay, so that is the way we can understand from this writing lah. Okay, so with the situation our country is moving towards the status of developed country, then it is very important to create society that is a scientific, progressive, creative, fast forward and knowledgeable while utilizing the latest technology. So I told you from the first meeting, this is a little bit hard, but this is not impossible to do it. Okay, you can do it. Okay, that's why I give you opportunity to do this assignment by pairing with your student, with your friend. Okay, this is because the society will be contributed to the formation of the scientific, technological civilization of the future. This is important for curriculum designer to consider current and future society development and evolution at all levels, locally and globally, as well as believing that school is one of socializing agent that help in achieving our country education goal. I like it, this statement. Okay, this is on Stein and Hankins, the book I given to you also. Okay, 2018. All right, so this is, and then following paragraph is actually talking about the specific about the Form 3 science curriculum. Okay, and then also they relate with the STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics, STEM, knowledge in the future as mentioned in the current Malaysia Education Blueprint, okay, 2013. This because society-based approach emphasizes on present and future characteristic of the society, while science-based approach emphasizes on the student strategies for processing knowledge in the critically and creatively, and the knowledge-based approach emphasizes on how students process the information gained in practice. So in the introduction also we can see that the surface of the problem. Okay, all right, so we go again. So this is the strength of the current Team 4 in the science curriculum, exploration of Earth and outer space, chapter 10, curriculum and syllabus. So this is the strength, okay, and then go down. This is the weaknesses. This is the problem actually, okay. So nowadays, Malaysia government has realized how crucial space science courses and subjects are to the student, mostly 2019. I also comment here. The student must put the full term of mostly first, and then they can repeat as a mostly lah. they can use the acronym. Okay, so this is in line with the current government aim on the space science and technology, with emphasis on building national capacity in the space sector to support economic development and economic advancement for the people well-being, suitable for our government policies and science technology goal to have a sustainable and cost-effective space capabilities. So the weaknesses of this curriculum, this student also relate with the education agenda. Okay, the education agenda. So based on this policy, and then also they also relate with the education policy. Okay, based on this policy, I identify several weaknesses on the current Science Form 3 curriculum. The existing, you can see here, the syllabus for Chapter 10 of this Earth and Space Exploration theme do not have a specific topic that address and discuss on Malaysia's own space facilities and technologies that our country built and contribute. This student want to add some more topic in terms of our facilities, our technologies in terms of the Earth and space exploration. Why in the textbook they are not didn't highlighted the new technology using in Malaysia regarding to the Earth and space exploration. So that is the issues. Okay, even though we also have the facilities, we also have our technologies in terms of to cultivating the Earth and space exploration among the student. Okay, so this is the problem. Therefore, in this Form 3 science subject, MOE should dedicate specific topic to address our country achievement and success in the Earth and space exploration. Because regarding to this review, this student also mentioned that there are any explanation or any subtopic in terms of our angkasawan. Okay, because we have actually Malaysia have our own angkasawan Malaysia lah. So this is also the weaknesses of the curriculum. Why we didn't highlighted our own person? They are go to the space and then and then do some research and so on, and come back to Malaysia and then still doing research in terms of the space and Earth. Okay, so this is what the purpose of to introduce the new curriculum, the new topic in the science subject. Okay, so proposing new aspect of component to be introduced based on my finding related to this matter. I found that we can add additional subtopic inside Chapter 10, Form 3 Science Curriculum. This additional subtopic consists of additional information on our country development, achieve performance in the space exploration, as well as the agency, infrastructure, and icon and expertise related to the Earth and space exploration field that focuses on the strengthening student knowledge and skill on content related to the suggested topic. All right. So I think this is a good writing lah, a good writing in terms of how actually you're doing curriculum review. Last week, I explained to you about the topic of curriculum review. Nina, I hope you can sit down with the Suraya and then get some information lah in terms of curriculum review. Okay, and then number 6, this student also provided the need analysis. The need analysis aim to look at the agreement and public opinion towards the improvement of the curriculum for the topic of space exploration to cultivate knowledge among space exploration technology in Malaysia and discuss the function of infrastructure, space exploration facilities in Malaysia. In addition, this study also looks at the needs of cultivate knowledge about Malaysia's success and achievement in the space exploration in terms of the agency involved, expert and local icon and so on. This systematic approach was developed by blah blah blah. So in this student case, they want to use the systematic approach. Okay. So for this paper work, the aim of need analysis was to assessing student need regarding to the proposed curriculum form 3 for sign form 3 related team 4. Okay. So this need analysis was conducted through online Google form, questionnaire given to the respondent to answer. Total number of respondents that participate in this analysis is 55 respondents. The item build consists 2 sections. Section A consists of 7 items that ask on respondent demographic data. The section mainly asks respondent about the background status such as age, the role when answering the questionnaire, socio-economic location they currently reside. Okay, so this is also a good statement lah in terms of how they explaining the methodology. Okay, so this is a finding. So my comment here, you can see here my comment. Table should be presentable. Presentable mean this table should be in the form of the A4 paper lah. Okay, so role educator. So this study actually they give the questionnaire to the educators, parent, administrator, and also society. So this is a good research actually. So before I forgot in terms of your conference, because actually I hope Afifah shared with you the link in terms of the free conference, free of charge for all educators, for all teachers. Maybe Izzatul can share with Nina also. So actually, all our assignment also you can present in that conference, because that conference didn't ask you to send the full paper, just the abstract. Okay, so take it the opportunity, because this conference is free, and then all the keynote speaker is internationally keynote speaker. Okay, so. This is, for example, this paper also can presented in the curriculum in the conference, international conference. Okay, so this is what the student get from their research, and then this is the level of knowledge. What is it they measure in this one? Okay, so this is the interpretation of the data. Alright, so this is the respondent answer. Yes, no. 43 agree that item number 4, your student or child has asked you to take them on a tour of space-related facilities, amenities, or attraction. So 43% answering yes. Just 12% answering no. Okay. So this is also the background of the respondent. They also have the B40, M40, T20. So this is the level of the economic status of the family background. Okay. All right. So this is still the data, and then go to assignment 2. I don't want to share with you assignment 2 yet. Just focusing on assignment first assignment first. Okay. All right. So this is what I want to share with you, and then also I want to take your attention in terms of our rubric. Okay, so I think I also revised the previously rubric to make it easier to you to follow. Okay, so please be focused in terms of the review on the current curriculum and syllabus, 50%, discussion of the existing curriculum and so on, and then go to the, not this one. I shared with you in a curriculum, and I shared with you the yeah, this one, right? This is your rubric, right? Is it this your rubric? Okay.
Yes.
So please refer project 1, just focusing on project 1 first, okay? So you need to provide the abstract, and then also introduction, problem statement, and then problem statement I showed to you just now. You need to relate with the national agenda, international agenda, in terms of the education, okay? And then also you need to come out the strength of the curriculum syllabus, justify, okay, and then also must support it with the citation lah, in-text citation, okay, and then go to the weaknesses, and then go to the literature review. Literature review must be mentioned clearly what the model of curriculum design and development you want to choose, why you give the justification, and also support it with the in-text citation, okay. And then you need to provide the discussion lah, okay, and then we go to the section 2. So I think that we are clear in terms of the assignment 1. Just focus on the project 1 first, and then after we finish project 1, you can go to the project 2 lah. Okay, any question before I go to the lesson today in terms of your assignment? I just give my comment regarding to the Izzatul and Nohamizah group in terms of your instrument. Okay, so please, is it you understand what my comment, Izzatul?
Yes, understand.
Okay, good. So please revise your item lah, and then I make it all the item positive. Because if just one item negative, I afraid that you forgot to reverse the coding when you insert in the SPSS. Okay, because just only one negative item. So I change to the positive item. Okay. All right. So are you ready for the next lesson? Is need analysis.